January's project of the month is this custom 49-foot by 24-foot in-plant office system installed by Gary Paulson with American Installers. This custom in-plant system includes 3 offices, a break room, and a storage closet. An existing building caused space restrictions, but Panelbuilt was able to provide a unique floor plan to solve their space needs. This L-shaped floor plan added 685 square feet of office space. 9 windows were included for full visibility of the manufacturing plant floor. The 10-foot wall height added additional vertical space to each room. This in-plant office system provided the necessary space for this technology company while solving the design constraints of an existing structure. Thank you so much to Gary Paulson and American Installers for the successful installation and great photos. If you have a newly installed Panelbuilt project, submit your photos to info@panelbuilt.com for your chance to win $50.